So I wanted a charger for my phone that I could carry around without the need for any extra cables. I hate carrying around the battery, the charger for the battery, and then the charger for my phone. Any other cables really, especially when you don't have a bag. Sometimes they just get in the way. So I made this right here. It's a small battery charger for your phone. It has a USB to it and two micro USB chargers just because. So in terms of what I was saying before about the wires, it has built into it a small USB charger. So if you wanted to, you have the option of just charging it just like that. And the second part to it is this micro USB charger right here. You kind of need two hands to use that one, but I built this before I got this phone. This one has USB-C, so yeah. I can still use this for other things though. Let's say I need a power Raspberry Pi or something like that. This comes in really handy. Anyways, another method of charging, you could use a wire if you want. So there's micro USB right here, and it has a laser and flashlight. That's pretty much it. In terms of these kinds of projects, I do plan to make more of them and better versions of them, more features. I'm trying to optimize size, capacity, everything else pretty much. Alright, so that's it for this project.